Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to talk about 5 natural foods and substances that can reduce your hunger. Yes, you heard it right. These substances will help you to lose weight by either reducing your appetite or by increasing the number of calories you burn without starving you. They will also help to regulate the hormone that controls hunger and avoid overeating. And all these foods and substances are backed by science. So if you know someone who can benefit from this video, then make sure you hit the share button. So let's check out these 5 natural appetite suppressants. First on the list is ginger. Ginger has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fullness because of its stimulating effect on the digestive system. One small study found that men who consumed ginger at breakfast felt more full and had less appetite compared to those who has not consumed it. So the active ingredient in ginger, gingerols, help in increasing leptin hormone. Leptin is a satiety hormone. So what leptin does is, it tells your brain that you have enough stored fat, which cuts your appetite, and this signals your body to start burning some fat and prevent overeating. So in simple words, gingerols and ginger help in fat burning. So try to include little bit of ginger to everything you eat and drink, like tea, soups, curries, stir fries, and even to your fruit infused water. Next is green tea. Drinking green tea has been found to promote weight loss by regulating the hunger hormone ghrelin. According to a research published in the Journal of Nutrition, people who drank 4 to 5 cups of green tea per day and exercised 180 minutes per week lost more weight after 3 months compared to people who only exercised. So green tea contains 2 compounds, caffeine and catechins, that promote weight loss. Caffeine is a well-known stimulant that increases fat burning and reduces appetite, though green tea contains much less caffeine compared to a cup of coffee. Meanwhile, catechins, specifically EGCG, is known to boost metabolism and reduce fat. So what happens is, we have some fat-burning hormone norepinephrine. So EGCG prevents the breakdown of this hormone by an enzyme. As a result, this fat-burning hormone norepinephrine increases, causing fat breakdown, which is released into the bloodstream for the energy purpose. So drinking 2 to 3 cups of plain, minimally processed green tea is sufficient for weight loss. Next is to add certain spices in your diet, specifically cinnamon and cayenne pepper plays an important role in weight loss. According to a research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, cinnamon acts as an appetite suppressant by stabilizing blood sugar levels and delaying gastric emptying, which gives you a feeling of fullness, and this in turn suppresses appetite. Whereas cayenne pepper reduces your appetite due to its active component, capsaicin. It decreases the production of hunger hormone ghrelin. Capsaicin increases body temperature, which boosts your metabolism, and this in turn suppresses hunger. A recent study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that capsaicin helps in maintaining healthy body weight. So spicy foods are often fat burners. So try to sprinkle some cinnamon and cayenne pepper in your soup, tea, even smoothies, stir fries, and include everywhere possible in your diet for reduced appetite. Next in the list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps in weight loss. It promotes fullness, which reduces calorie intake. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who had higher doses of acetic acid had lower levels of blood sugar and insulin after eating bread than other groups. They also found that participants had lower appetite too. So I have made a video only on apple cider vinegar and its impact on weight loss. So don't forget to check this video to understand when to take, how to take, and other details about apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Last on the list is psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is nothing but Isabgol easily available in a local pharmacy. So now you might be thinking we generally use Isabgol or the psyllium husk as a laxative, but is now scientifically proven to help with weight loss too. So psyllium husk is completely natural and is a form of fiber made from the husk of the plantago plant seeds. So psyllium is incredibly high in soluble fiber, which is very effective for weight loss. By increasing fiber in your diet, you can control appetite and lose weight. So with water, husk forms a gel-like layer which fills up the stomach and increases satiety. According to a study published in Appetite, psyllium taken before breakfast and lunch resulted in lesser appetite and increased fullness. So you can try including 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk 20 to 30 minutes before a meal. But make sure to drink 1 to 2 glasses of water to prevent choking, because this husk starts expanding before reaching your stomach. So these were my 5 easy foods that you can include in your diet to control your appetite with extra energy and better regulation of hormones that control hunger. Now I am going to share some additional strategies to reduce your appetite. Number 1, eat more proteins and healthy fats in each meal. Number 2, drink more water, as water is one of the simplest way to reduce your appetite and reduce overeating. Number 3, exercise, as it suppresses hunger hormone ghrelin. Number 4, switch from milk chocolate to dark chocolate, as it suppresses appetite. Number 5, lower your stress, as stress is linked with binge eating. Number 6, get enough sleep. And number 7, pay attention to what you are eating. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please do give a like and drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next week.